Yes.
Okay, so you're going to have them do their logo. Well, first of all, Cameron's not in position anyways, so I want you to bend your knees. I should have grabbed the arms, the bed rail with your other arm. And I want you to, a little bit more. I want you to lift up your bottom and push with your feet. Okay. Now you can go ahead and lay it. Let him use the bed rail. So obviously, if they're using the Hoyer lift, they need any mobility that they can get. Okay. So what I want you to do is we're going to apply the Hoyer sling to you. Okay. What I want you to do first is I want you to bend this knee across this arm with your belly. You take that arm, reach across your body, and grab the rail. I want you to push with your hip and pull with your arm. You're going to roll. Put this here. To the other side. Goodness. This arm, push over. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure that he's in the center of the sling. Okay, this sling is too big for him. Okay, so I want him to try and be in the center. Okay. All right, so I want you to roll towards me. Bend your knees. Hip. Okay, roll back. Roll over to the right side. Okay. There you go. Okay. Now, if you notice, the sling doesn't support his bottom. Okay. Some of them will come a little bit more further down on the hips, and some of them usually they won't because they have the cross slings. Okay. These legs will cross underneath the same side, go over. Bend this knee for me. Okay. So you have a crisscross there. Okay. So the Hoyer is unlocked. The bed is locked. Okay. Go ahead and lower this armrest down. Now, this is a little low for right now, so I'm going to raise it up, make sure the, whatever that thing is called. Hydraulic. Yes, it's tight. Raise it up a little bit. I'm going to put it to where it's over his center, so it kind of looks like it's right at his belly button, okay? And it's actually going to sit like this, okay? I'm going to open the lift, and then I'm going to lock it. Okay. Now, the wheelchair needs to be in position. I'm going to remove your leg rests. If you need to have an extra draw sheet underneath there, you can. If your patient is in the bed with a chuck on, apply this with the chuck or the bed sheet underneath. Okay? Because if they have an accident, you don't want it on this. Okay? Because these get used between patients and they don't really get washed very often. Okay. Now, if this was an appropriate fit, you don't put the same length of the legs as you do the arms. Okay? Because if you put both of them together at the same height, they get too crunched in. Okay? So you need to have the arms will be a little bit longer than the leg straps will. Okay? So they won't be at the same height. But we're going to do green on the top, just to new it up. And I'm going to double loop it because it's too long. You know what? It might work for him because he's taller than Thomas. And we're going to take the center straps, and these are way too long. Yeah, this actually, Cameron, you're just tall enough. It might actually hot when you're applying it, okay? That is okay. Okay. All right, Cameron. So what you do, like you're doing, you have your arms crossed across your heart. You're going to make sure the sling is going to support him. When he comes up, it's going to slide up on him a bit, okay? When you start to feel you raising up, I want you to tuck your chin in, okay? I'm going to go ahead and start. Justin, will you help the guide? So Justin is standing on the other side of the bed. You will have to move the bed, even if it's against the wall. His bottom might be gliding against the wall while he's moving, okay? How's that feel?
We need to invest in a battery operator.
Relax your knees. Hold on 1 second.
I need to be carried
Alright, so there we go. So see how that changed?
It looks
how
like
much it cleared? Because once I start to move him, he's gonna have to bend his knees, and I'm gonna show you why, okay? But look at how the sling has now moved itself, okay? We got big guy using the Hoyer lift. Alright, you want to swing that. So I'm gonna unlock the brakes. Still has a wide base of support. Do you feel supported, Kim? Now here, I need to turn him so he's in the seated position. Okay? You might have to lock your brakes. Big. Now, you want to pull them and you will have to flex their foot and flex their knee to get it around the bar. A lot of your patients are not going to like that. Okay? You have no choice. Okay? You have to do it. Okay? Now, what's going to happen is at this point, Justin is going to use this strap to pull him into sitting as I lower him, okay, in that seating position. He's also going to extend the wheelchair or put it at an angle, so as we're lowering, we can get him in the position without having to manipulate the situation afterwards, okay? Okay. With this mechanical lift, I'm releasing the hydraulic with the knob back here, and however much I release it is how fast it's going to go down, okay? Now, you want to avoid putting this pressure, the overpressure over the knee. So you want to try and use the sling handles, okay? There's some on the other side too. My brakes are locked. Oh. And that happens.
That wonderful pet.